Good morning, students, and welcome to all of you. Today, I am here, Professor S.R. Chakni, discuss about the new chapter here, that is the uh, precision agriculture, the concept of precision agriculture, then various tools and techniques used in precision agriculture, and the concern for the Indian agriculture. So, firstly, we will discuss about what is the precision agriculture. Firstly, definition of the precision agriculture. This precision agriculture is an information and technology which is based on the farm management system to identify, analyze, and manage the variability within the fields by doing all the practices of crop production in right place at right time and in right way for optimum profitability, sustainability, and the protection of the land resources. That means in this precision agriculture, we can easily identify and analyze as well as manage the variability which is observed in our field, and we are applying only those quantities of the inputs wherever it is necessary to the field. Due to that, we can obtain the maximum production but without affecting the various land resources which are present within the system. Then, the precision agriculture is a system approach to farming for maximizing the effectiveness of the crop inputs. Then, the concept of the precision agriculture in detail we are discussing here. So, this precision agriculture is an approach to farm management that uses the information technology, that means the IT, to ensure that the crops and the soil receive the exactly what they need for the optimum health and the productivity. Then the goal of the precision agriculture is to ensure the profitability, sustainability, and the protection of the environment. Then the precision agriculture is also known as the satellite agriculture, as needed farming and the site specific crop management, that means the SSCM, that stands for the site specific crop management. In other words, the precision agriculture is called as the site specific crop management. Then the concept of precision agriculture offers the promise of increasing productivity while decreasing the production cost and minimizing the environmental impacts. Then, this is the technique of applying the right amount of input, that includes the fertilizer, pesticides, or the water application, and that is applied at the right location at right time to enhance the production, then decrease the input, and to protect the environment. That means only the required quantity of the inputs that are applied wherever it is necessary, instead of applying the input all over the field equally. Then the precision farming, it is defined as the application of technologies and principles to manage the spatial and the temporal variability which is associated with the all aspect of the agricultural production. Then the precision farming, or it is also known as the site specific crop management, and that refers to the developing the agricultural management system that promotes the variable management practices within the field according to site or the soil conditions. Then precision farming within a field is also referred as a site specific crop management, that means the SSCM. Then again here the precision agriculture concept which is given in a simple way as the concept of precision agriculture is very simple as the right input at right time in right amount at right place and in a right manner. So this is the very simple concept of the precision agriculture which is given here very effectively. Then the concept of precision farming is based on the GPS, that means the global positioning system, which was initially developed by the United States of America defense scientists for the exclusive use of the US Defense Department. The unique character of GPS is precision in time and space. Then the precision agriculture, as the name implies, which refers to the application of the precise and the correct amount of the inputs like the water, fertilizers, pesticides, etc. at the correct time to the crop for increasing its productivity and maximizing its yield. The use of inputs that like chemical fertilizers and the pesticides which are based on the right quantity at right time and in a right place. So this type of management is commonly called as a site specific crop management. So in short, this is about the concept of the precision agriculture we have discussed here. Then next important concept, that is the tools and the equipment which are used in this precision agriculture. In that first important tool, that is the global positioning system, that means the GPS. So this GPS is a navigation system which are based on the network of satellite, and that network of satellite that helps user to record the positional information like the latitude, longitude and the elevation. This positional information with an accuracy of about between 100 and 0.01 meter. Then GPS allows farmers to locate the exact position of the field information like the soil type, then pest occurrence, then weed intensity, then water holes, boundaries of the field and the obstructions which are present in the field. Then there is an automatic controlling system with the light or the sound guiding panel, that is called as a DGPS panel, then antenna and the receiver. So these are the various parts of this GPS. Then GPS satellites broadcast signal that allows GPS receiver to calculate their position. Then the system allows farmers to identify the field location so that inputs like the seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, herbicides and the irrigation water that can be applied to an individual field, that is based on the performance criteria and the previous input applications. Then this information is provided in real time, meaning that the continuous position information which is provided file in a motion also. Then having the precise location information at any time that allows soil and the crop measurement to be mapped. Then GPS receivers either carried to the field or mounted on an implement that allows user to return to the specific location to sample or to treat those areas. Then uncorrected GPS signal have an accuracy of about 300 feet. Then second important technique of the precision agriculture, that is the sensor technologies. So in these sensor technologies, various sensor technologies which are used as a electromagnetic conductivity, then photoelectricity and ultrasound. These are used to measure the humidity, vegetation, temperature and the texture as well as the structure, physical character, humidity, then nutrient level, water vapor and the air. Then remote sensing data are used to distinguish the crop species, then locate the stress condition, identify the pest and weeds and monitor the drought, soil and the plant condition also. Then these sensor technologies are enable the collection of the immense quantity of data without the analysis. Then the next, that means the third technique of this precision agriculture, that is the geographic information system, that is we call it as a GIS. So this GIS system consists of the hardware, software and the procedures which are designed to support the compilation, storage, then retrieval and analysis of the feature attributes and the location data to produce a map. Then this GIS that links the information in one place so that it can be extrapolated when it is needed. That means this link the information in the GIS system that can be produced whenever it is needed. Then computerized GIS maps are different from the conventional map and it contains the various layers of the information like the yield, soil survey map, then rainfall, crops, then soil nutrient level and the pest. Then this GIS is a kind of the computerized map, but its real role is using the statistic and the spatial methods to analyze characters as well as the geography. A farming GIS database can provide the information on a field topography, then soil type, surface drainage, then subsurface surface drainage, soil testing, irrigation, then chemical application rate and the crop yield also. Then next tool, that is the grid soil sampling and the variable rate application. So these variable rate technologies are the automatic and may be applied to the numerous farming operations. Then this VRT system set the rate of delivery of the farm input depending on the soil type noted in a soil map. Then the information produced or the extrapolated from the GIS that can control the processes such as the seeding, then fertilizer and the pesticide application, then herbicide selection and application at a variable rate in a right place at the right time. Then VRT, perhaps the most widely used PFS technology in the United States. Then the grid soil sampling uses the same principle of the soil sampling but increases the intensity of the sampling. That means this grid soil sampling, which is same as like the soil sampling, where only the intensity of the samples which is more. Then soil samples collected in a systematic grid also have the location information that allows the data to be mapped. Then the goal of soil sampling is a map of nutrient needs, that is called as an application map. Then samples may be collected for more than one area of field which fall in the same range of yield and the soil color. Then next one, that is the crop management. So this crop management that includes the satellite data that provide farmers a better understanding of the variation in soil condition and topography that influences the crop performance within the field. Then farmers can therefore precisely manage the production factors such as the seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, herbicides and water control to increase the yield and the efficiency. Then next important tool, that is the soil and the plant sensors. So this sensor technology is an important component of the precision agriculture technology, and their use has been widely reported to provide information on the soil properties and plant fertility or the water status. Then one of the most popular way to characterize the soil variability is surveying of field with a soil apparent electrical conductivity sensors that collect the information continuously when pulled over the field surface. Then next one, that is the rate controller. So this rate controller plays very important role in the application of the inputs wherever it is necessary, and it is applied only the required quantity of the inputs. So these rate controllers are the devices which are designed to control the delivery rate of the chemical inputs such as the fertilizers, pesticides, which are either in a liquid or in a granular form. Then these rate controllers monitor the speed of tractor or the sprayer traveling across the field as well as the flow rate and pressure of the material, making the delivery adjustment in real time to apply a target rate. Then next one is the precision irrigation in a pressurized system. The recent developments are being released for the commercial use in the sprinkler irrigation by controlling the irrigation machine's motion with a GPS based controller. Then in addition to the motion control, the wireless communication and the sensor technologies are being developed to monitor soil and the ambient conditions along with the operation parameters of the irrigation machines, that is flow and pressure, to achieve the high water application efficiency and utilization by the crop. Then next important tool and technique of the precision agriculture, that is the use of software. So applying the precision agriculture technologies will frequently require the use of the software to carry out the diverse tasks such as the display controller interfacing, then information layer mapping, pre and post processing data analysis and interpretation, farm accounting of inputs per field and many other functions. Then the most common are the software to generate the maps regarding the yield and soil, then software to filtering the collected data, software to generate the variable rate application maps, for example fertilizer, lime and the chemicals, then software to overlay the different maps and the software to provide the advanced geostatistical features. So These are the various roles of the software which are used in the precision agriculture. Then next important point, that is the advantages of the precision agriculture. So first advantage of the precision agriculture is that precision agriculture can contribute to the reduced waste. Then it helps to increase the total profit from the agriculture. Then another advantage is to help to protect the environment by the precise application of the inputs. And the last advantage is the precision agriculture can provide both environmental and the economic benefits as the consequence from the reduced or the targeted placement of the crop input that include the water, pesticide and the nutrients. Then what is the mean by the precise nutrient application? So this precise nutrient application can give the important environmental and the economic benefits. The aim is to apply only the nutrient that the plant required and that can be used only. Then the rate of application will differ within the field based on the type of soil, then level of fertility and sensitivity of the environment. Then next one, there is some type of soil in a field that does not have the potential to validate the maximum rate of nutrient application. On the other hand, there might be the areas that need to be reduced rate because of the sensitivity to the environment. Then next one, that is the precise pesticide application. This precise pesticide application can offer both economic and the environmental benefits. One of the cheapest and the fastest environmental payoff for the application of pesticide is the use of the light bar guidance systems. Then this affordable light bar guidance system offer an easy method to lead equipment across a field to prevent the overlapping when the pesticides are being sprayed. Then the precision soil preparation. The soil preparation is the first step before the growing of a crop. Then the ultimate objective is to produce the firm and weed-free seedbed for rapid germination and the emergence of the crop. Then one of the most important tasks in the soil preparation is tilling, that means the turning the soil and losing it. Then the next important point, that is the precision farming concern for the Indian agriculture. In that the farmers in developed countries typically own large farm area, that means the 10 to 1000 hectare or the more area, and more crop production systems are highly mechanized in the most cases. Then large farm may comprise several fields in differing condition. Even within a relatively small field, that is less than 30 hectare, the degree of pest infestation, then disease infection and the weed competition may differ from one area to another. Then in case of the conventional agriculture, although a soil map of a region may exist, the farmers still tend to practice the same crop management throughout their fields. Then crop varieties, land preparation, fertilizers, pesticides and the herbicides are uniformly applied in spite of the variation. Then optimum growth and development are thus not be achieved in that case. Furthermore, there is a insufficient use of the input and lab labors are required. Then availability of information technology since 1980s that provides farmers with new tools and the approaches to characterize the nature and the extent of variation in the field that enable them to develop the most appropriate management strategy for a specific location, then increasing the efficiency of the input application also. Then there are some practical problems or the issues in the precision agriculture farming. In that, first point is the small land holding, then second one is the heterogeneity of cropping system and the market imperfections, then complexity of the tools and the techniques that requiring the new skill, then the lack of technical expertise, knowledge and the technology, and last one is the infrastructure and the institutional constraint that including the market imperfections. In this way, we have completed this lecture number first as the concept of the precision agriculture, then the tools and the various techniques which are used in the precision agriculture and the present concern in the precision agriculture in India. So we have completed this topic here. If all of you have really like this information and this lecture is informative, then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.